Hi, as you all know, most of the people are transferring from ChatGPT to Cloud AI as it's got a lot of feature and got a very important. Yeah, so today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer all your data from ChatGPT to Cloud AI, so you don't need to train your Cloud AI again. And so for this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the Cloud AI. I'm gonna use the Chrome. So he after he click on the setting, and after setting you will see general, account privacy, billing and capability. Click on the capability and here you will see a lot of things. So he import memory from other AI provider. Click on start import and it gives you the prompt. Just copy the prompt, paste it on your chat gpt, just paste it here, and then so whatever it gives, just copy and paste it there. After that, all your like memory from ChatGPT will transfer to your Cloud AI and you don't need to train again. There you go, it's generating. It's still creating, so that's the prompt it will give. So after this, in this next video I'm gonna show you how to get free Cloud AI Pro. So if I get around 2000 like in this video, I'm gonna make the, yep, that's it. Just press in the top right corner. I'm doing this in mobile version. If you wanna do in what the fuck, it shows beef at the end. User prefer cooking home for, what's that? User prefer cooking home at home for diet, doesn't eat beef. Oh, that's right. See what Cloud learned about. You can see what it learned from. Something went on updating the memory. So let's see what it learned from my prompt. A summary of the memory one. Oh wow, that's it. So by that way you can just transfer from ChatGPT to um, the Cloud AI. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how to get premium version of Cloud AI for free. Thank you so much for watching.